guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So love, if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair. So today we're going to be discussing about this mega growth, this product. Okay, I love this. Okay, I did a first impression about this. So this is after I think 11 months, either 11 months or 10 months, 11 to 10 months of using this. So I am here to give you my full idea about this and why I love it and why you need to be using this deep condition, okay, in your hair regimen. If you're new to the channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button, like the video, share your beautiful comment. Let me know if you have tried this before. The first thing I will say is that, one, I love the packaging of this thing, okay, and two, it smells amazing. Like, it smells so amazing. You guys can see I've already ran out. I've already restocked. I got the biggest one here to tell you how I love this. All right, so this mega growth deep conditioning, anti-breakage, strengthen and restore, it does what it says. All right, it literally does what it says. All right, so this is really good. It is infused with natural oils and conditioning proteins that help strengthens hair, deepen inside the your hair strand now. So it makes your hair healthy and looking beautiful and the rest. Okay, it's blended with it rebuilds hair strength deep inside, protect against styling stress, okay, restore softness and natural shine. Softness +1, like +100. Okay, so how I use this on my hair is that I mix this with my Avidavic spices, or I put a spray, my Avidavic spray on my hair, put this condition on my hair, like literally make sure everything is absorbed all over my hair. Then I will go under a heat cap. Like, when you go under a heat cap with this, oh my goodness, your hair is going to be bouncy, your hair is going to thrive like 100%. Okay, besties, so if you're new to the channel, please click on the subscribe button and like the video and share your beautiful comment. What I would say is that since I've started using this, my hair breakage has limited, like in a very limited way. Before, I used to have a very chunk of hair when I braid my hair and I take it down and I'm doing my routine. When I comb my hair, the chunk of hair I get from my wash day routine is always plenty. But ever since I started using this on my wash day routine, golden. Even though I don't use this every time, okay, I don't use this product every time. I use it when I don't feel like putting natural deep condition in my hair, or when I'm very lazy to do a natural deep condition. I just go this with my hair, my Avidavic spray, mix the two of them together, apply it on my hair, or just use this, apply any like blended moringa or blended neem powder or blended hibiscus powder or any Avidavic powder you have that is blended. Just mix it together, apply it on your hair. Your hair is going to thrive. Like, your hair is going to look beautiful, your hair is going to look soft. Seriously, I am not hyping them, I am only telling you my experience because I've used it. My first impression about it was you can do it to check that video out. But since 10 months or let's 10 or 11 months now, I've been using this. I love it. Like, you have to, if you don't love something, you will not restock, right? So I have to restock by buying a bigger one. This is how big this one is, okay? And for price range, okay, this one, it was so shocking for me because this one, when I got this at a range of 4.5. I bought this in Jumia and I got it at a range of 4.5. And I was like, why is okay? I've seen people talk about mega growth and I was like, okay, let me give it a try. That was my first reaction about mega growth, and I was like, it was not giving me what I was giving, not knowing that you have to be consistent in using something to get a unique long-lasting results. You got to be consistent. Yeah, so when I bought this one, I bought this at the range of 2.7. So I was like, what the Why would Jumia be selling this for me for 4-5? Maybe was it because of it was scarce or what? And then I bought this in a walk-in shop for 2.7. This is 4.5 minus transportation minus delivery. Just 4.5 minus delivery. And this is 2.7. Like, you can see the difference. This is bigger than this. And it's saying this thing. It's same product. It's not fake or anything. It's the original one. So I was shocked about it. I decided to get the new one because I love it. Okay, when I do this on my hair always looks so beautiful, and my hair is always strong. My hair strand is always strong. Okay, here to let you know that this Mega Growth anti-breakage deep condition is really amazing. You need to give it a try. Okay, this is my hair 10 months 10 months of doing mini braid. I am super excited about the journey so far. Okay, this we are entering the next 11 to 12 months. As I said in most of my challenges or most of my videos, that I will be doing this for 1 year before I'll keep on doing it after the 1 year anyway. But I just initially did it for 1 year to see how the growth is, and there's a lot of growth. There's a lot of improvement on my hair. My hair is now thick. Like, my stylist literally had to braid a more bigger jumbo braids because my hair was so thick. Like, she had to, you know, braid it more jumbo, like the cotton is more big. Okay, normally I used to do a smaller one, but because of my hair was so thick, she had to do like a jumbo braid, and I am loving the feeling of my hair. Like, my hair is giving vibes. I'll keep on promoting mini braid. Okay, like, mini braid is one braid that a decision I made, and I am grateful that I am here. All right, the first 1-2 months I did not really see any improvement. The third, fourth month, okay, there was no so improvement. It was not in the 5th, 6th month I started seeing a lot of improvement. And again, in my case might be different from yours. You might have a genetic whereby your hair grows really fast, like really fast. My genetic might be, my hair might be growing slow and steady. So it depends on everyone is different. Okay, everyone's genetic is different. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. I only came to talk about this. This is awesome. Like, need to try it, and I don't think I'll be checking any other deep condition. No, this is for me. Okay, one product, I use it for 10 to 11 months, and it's been amazing for me. So I hope you enjoyed the video with me. Let me know in the comment section, is this what the hype? Yes, it was the hype. Like, it's literally what the hype. And I'll see you all in my next video. Please stay subscribed for more amazing content like this. I might be doing a video whereby I combine this with my spray and sit down in a hot cap so that you can see what I am saying. You can understand what I am saying. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and love your natural hair because we're queens. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.